guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your flight number on Expedia. So you can usually see your flight number included in your booking confirmation email. Once the booking is done, you should receive a confirmation email on your email. And from there, you can view that email and also view your flight number. Another way is by heading to expedia.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next is click on trips. Now from the trips page, look for that specific flight and click on it. And once inside, you should see all the details and information about your flight, including your flight number. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!